This is our Haas CNC lathe. We've opted to leave the machine off because of the noise level once we turn it on. But this is a CNC lathe. What this particular machine does, it takes a piece of round stock, we insert it into our chuck. The machinist program all the tools in what we call a turret. And the machine then, using the computer control, will machine different round pieces, sizes and shapes, outside, the inside of a particular piece of material. It's very, very accurate. Here again, it's fully computer controlled. It's utilized virtually every day at our facility. We also have the two that I showed you earlier, the ProTrack lathes. The difference with the ProTrack lathe, this one has no outside handles. This one is totally computer controlled. And the machinists take care of that, once again, using the Mastercam software.